Hare Krishna. Why do you want to wear a gemstone of Lagna or the fifth house or the ninth house when you don't need it? See, when I started my journey of Jyotish, I went through so much of trainings and meeting so many astrologers and was recommended for so many gemstones. Nothing worked because whenever I went, they were talking about wearing a gemstone permanently in your life. Do you think anything can be permanent? Nothing is permanent. I'm not permanent. You are not permanent. Nobody is permanent. Even the throne of the Indra Devata is not permanent. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm coming up with a workshop to make you understand how do we wear gemstones? Why do we wear certain gemstones? If you want business to grow, if you want money, if you have financial crunch, why are astrologers recommending the gemstones of the Lagna or the ninth house or the fifth house when the income houses are different? Even a gemstone for Rahu can make you meet your guru. Ask someone if someone has Rahu in the 10th house and there was a dasha of Rahu and you meet your guru. Even a planet like Rahu can do the business for you, can make you take to the pilgrims, can make you go to Jagannath Puri. Rahu. Planets like Saturn and Jupiter in certain houses brings you very close to Krishna. And somebody comes and say he needs bhakti in his life. I would have to see Saturn and Jupiter Marak, Bhadak? No. I need to see their placement. If there's no planet in the Lagna, Jagannath Ji is sitting on the Lagna. You have to understand. You cannot consider that the gemstone of the Lagna Lord or the fifth or the ninth is important. Even the seventh house Lord or the Bhavavastha, the position of the planets in the seventh or in the 10th can make you, fantabulous in your life. It can make you to reach the highest levels. But if you need children, definitely you need to, focus on the fifth house. You need skills, you need to focus on the fifth house. But if you want competition, it's the sixth house. That is what I'll teach you in this workshop of gemstones. I'll make you understand what are the theories of wearing, and even if you know a little bit of Jyotish, you'll be able to understand every single thing in this workshop. What are the refractive index? What are the ways of energizing a gemstone? Everything in one package is right here. Come and enroll. Hare Krishna.